Hello, my name's Andy and welcome to the garage. Well, this is a short video just on the emergency vehicles I've got to one side to restore. Now, this is just a bit tatty. Rover SD1 by Corgi, 3.5, police car. I think I got this off Kev the Banger Racer, probably. But I've done a couple of Rovers and it'd be nice to do one in the police car vein. And obviously I've got a Transit. This one's got its doors at the back. I don't think the glass is savable, but I've got a spare glass. We've got the door, got this aerial camera sort of thing there. Rubber tyres, not bad. Dual headlights still there, so there will be a Transit next to it. Yeah, you can't restore dinky toys etc. without doing a Transit. Then we got another one, slightly different, slightly debatable better glass. It doesn't feel too good actually, but Transits seem to be viewers' favourites, to be quite honest, so we've got to do one or two of those. Remember, we've got about 45 to do. Then we've got a police Land Rover. Now, I think this may have been by Corgi, but sold under the Marks and Spencer name. So I've done the decals, and I think this was part of a set by M&S in the UK. And it's all there, so that'd be quite nice to do a simple one. I've already done the decals for somebody else for that before. Little fire chief car. Nash Rambler by Dinky Toys. Odd tyres obviously, but the glass looks good. It's just tired. Everything about it looks okay, apart from a bit of tiredness. Then we've got a police Jag. It's missing part of its back light. A couple of Jags, so it'd be nice to try and get one of the police ones, and obviously it's missing its flashing lights as well. Finally, but not least, got this little police car, Wolsey 680, number 5, and I'm not sure who made that. Can't remember. Is it Lesney? But nice one to do. It looks like it may have been repainted at some point in its life. So let me know if you want to see me do any of those emergency vehicles, or to be honest, any others you've seen in the purchases video. Here's the last one, Opel Senator. Now you might be thinking, well, it's not a police car, but way back in the early 90s I was stopped by an unmarked white Senator. It came up behind me quite fast. Fortunately I'd spotted him in time and just gently slowed myself down back below the speed limit. It was in the days before cameras and guns, so he didn't follow me long enough to give me a speeding ticket. He just had a quiet word with me. Nice policeman. So I thought I'd do that with the police stop sign in the window. So there we go. That is a short video. You never know if these will get done or not, to be perfectly honest, because other stuff gets purchased and it jumps everything in the queue. Right. Take care of yourselves, and I'll get the next video ready.